Hello everyone, welcome to the pencil 2D animation tutorial. This is part 7, and we'll be learning about animation using the vector layer. We have done animations in bitmap layer. You can apply our own ideas and make some more animations. So today we'll be learning the vector layer. So the very first step what I do is take this vector layer up the bitmap layer. Bitmap layer is lying down. So first of all I click on the bitmap layer and select the light yellow color, okay, this yellow color, bright, okay, and use the bucket tool and fill this, okay. Now why I took this vector layer up, because whatever we draw will come above the bitmap layer. If this bitmap layer is up, then whatever we draw in the vector layer won't be shown in this particular screen. So this is vector layer, I've shifted it up. Now I come to this particular pen tool, okay, and I've adjusted the width around, you can see the width is around 32.84, and then I come to this green color, a dark green color, and draw this. Okay. This is what you have drawn. So this is like a caterpillar type species. It will be moving on the right side, so we have to turn this as on the vector layer. Now I come to the smudge tool. This is the smudge tool, and zooming it, when I click I get some dots which can be moved up and down. So these are not evenly spaced, so let us bring them so that they are evenly spaced. So okay, and this one, you have to bring it towards this side, and then this one, okay. Now they are evenly spaced. Now at this point you can see we have this plus is to add a keyframe, but we don't want to add a keyframe, okay. We will just duplicate this frame and show that this particular caterpillar type is moving on the right side. So I just click on this duplicate frame. I put 3 duplicate frames because we want to show in a slow motion. On the 4th, now we can do some animation. So I'm using the smudge tool, and I click here. You can do this dots appear, so I can just take it a little bit up. Now this red part, it shows the onion skin, so I've activated 6 onion skins, previous 6 frames, okay. Then okay, and I just select this, take the select tool, and you can just use this particular move tool and move a little bit further. Select it, and then you use this, move it further, a little bit further, okay. Then 1 2 3, okay. So at the 8th frame we do again animation, okay. We come to the smudge tool, click here. So now this part will go down, this will come up, so it is moving in a zigzag way, okay. Then come to this particular tool, select this, and then move it a little bit more further. Then again 1 2 3, okay. At the 4th, this is 12th one, we again select the smudge tool, okay. Now this will come up, this will come down, and this will come up now, okay. And we have to move it a little bit further, so I just select this, use this particular move tool, and move it a little bit further, okay. So this we can continue, okay. 1 2 3, and on the 4th one we again select the smudge tool, okay. So now this will come down, this will come up, this will come down a little bit, it's too much down, and now this will move a little bit up, and the whole as a whole it will move ahead. So this will continue, and I'll just do the animation up to some number of frames, and then we can return back and I will show what we get after doing this. So I've done the animation up to 74 frames around. So I'll just run the animation. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, this is what we have. It is not of course exact. Okay. Maybe we can draw more realistic. So this is how we do animation in the vector layer. Okay. It may depend what type of animation we want to create. So for that particular animation, maybe it can be entirely drawn using a single bitmap layer or more than one bitmap layer, or maybe the entire animation in a vector layer or vector layers, or a combination of vector and bitmap layer. So it may depend what is suitable. As we go on practicing, we will realize which one is more suitable for our particular animation. Okay. So now one more thing, I have not shown the use of this particular eyedropper. Now what is the use of this eyedropper? Many times when we are animating and we are using different tools, we are using different colors for our for animating, for making the images. So for that purpose, suppose we want to know what color this particular, because even in green we have various shades, so we want to know what shade we have, which green color we are using. So we can come at, because this green, this caterpillar was drawn on the vector layer, so I come to the vector layer. Okay, and I click here and just click on this particular, and we get this is the particular color. Now I want to know what is the background color, because the background was drawn in the bitmap layer. So I come to the bitmap layer, and when I click here, okay, it becomes this yellow. So this is the color which we had selected for the background. So we want to copy the color, so this is what you can say to know the what color it is. So that's all for this particular tutorial. We are concluding this Pencil 2D animation series. Thanks for watching.